Oh shit. Okay. Okay, we're ready.
Are we warming up first?
Yeah.
Okay.
What do we gotta do, Bobby?
We gotta do A.
You gotta hum.
We gotta go.
And then open your mouth.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we gotta get this. Okay, now we don't do all of them. We just do the first one.
You must understand that the touch of your hand makes my
You're going really Stop it. Where are you at? Okay. That is only the thrill of boy meeting girl. Opposites attract. It's physical only.
I don't know where you
only logical. You must try to ignore that it means more. Oh, what's love got to do? Got to do with it. What's love? You take breaks at these little things. I know. I hit the wrong note. Okay, where are you? What's love got to do? Got to do with it. Second hand emotion. What's love got to do? Got to do with it. Who needs a heart when a heart can be broken? What's love? Stop it. Heart can be broken. I've been taking on the action. But I have to say, I've been thinking about my own protection. It scares me to feel this way. Oh, what's love got to do? Got to do with it. What's love got to do? Feel precious. Like it.
Is someone at the door?
I think so. You're not doing it? Okay. Oh, sorry. Sorry. Yeah, next time they start banging shit,
We're gonna be like, hey.
hey, it's a little loud. How can we
Which is every day.
yeah. I'm really confused. What's love got to do? Got to do it. Y'all are being a little too loud. Maybe it's maybe they're gonna hate me. Be like, but I'm rehearsing for my recital.
They can get over it. Are you ready for this?
I don't know the words of chocolate.
There aren't any words. But Bobby, this is the easiest song you'll ever learn how to play. Just a joke.